Guys, welcome to my channel Kawek ini 13. Nah, di video kali ini tuh aku mau buat open package squishy. Open package squishy. Ya, tapi ini tuh thread. Aku thread sama gitu. Jadi biasanya tapi nggak apa-apa. So, ceritanya thread sama teman sekolah aku, jadi nggak harus pakai JNI. Dan tadi aku ke rumah dia untuk ambil thread ini. Enggak sih. Jadi jadinya aku thread deh. So, langsung ke rumah. Ayo kita buka. Jeng jeng jeng. This is so ini tinggal karena aku nggak tahu, karena aku cuma jual threadan doang. Oh, ini kayak panjang. Ini nggak penting sekali.
My friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, well, sure, love is made for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Maybe crazy, I need to say, boy, that's too much. Got my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a